Okay, this is Hans the Ramen Writer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from... Actually, this is from the United States. But this is a Filipino dish. This is Pamana with their instant Sotanghon chicken. Sotanghon. Or Sotanghon. I don't know how to pronounce it. If somebody can let me know, I'd appreciate it. So, rice noodle. Oh man, I'm already running out of time. So, we gotta add in the sachets. This almost looks like onions. This might be chicken. Hard to tell, hard to tell. There's that. Oh, and it was powdery and it's all over the stove, ladies and gentlemen. I am not pleased by that, but I will clean it up. Very fishy smelling powder base. Did mention it has fish in it. So there we are. And we're going to add in our painfully hot water right in there, and there we go. And we need 2-3 minutes, and we're rolling. I think I mentioned to stir it up too, so I will do so. I'd like it to come out correctly. And let me get this right off the stove. Yeah. I want to say that might just be powdered chicken. I really don't know. Anyways, it's time for another fantastic quote from Momofuku Ando from the fine book Momofuku Ando Speaks, Quotations from the Man Who Invented the Instant Noodle. And today we've got number 55. Right? Yeah. Only a layman can come up with an idea, then only a layman can come up with an idea that transcends the bounds of common sense. Okay. I think I know what he's saying there. Only somebody who doesn't really know exactly everything about the subject can make something that actually makes it, like, impossible to achieve. I don't know. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So it is Monday. That is for sure. It is acting like a Monday. It is truly a Monday. It is Monday. Got stuff coming in the mail. Got some unboxings I'm going to get to do this week. It's more like some unboxings I have to figure out where the heck I'm going to find the time to actually... I mean, doing the unboxing video itself is no problem. It's the editing afterwards. Cutting out all the screaming of the children. This one comes from the country of... You know, things like that. So, it's all about the editing. Because I can crank out 3 unboxing videos, one after the other, in like 20 minutes. And they're being all crazy out there. So yeah. But I'm getting 2 reviews done on this first day of the week. What are you doing? Hey! Oh, I gotta remember the crackers. That's what I've seen on Filipino instant noodles, especially Sotanghon. So, I wish I knew exactly how this was pronounced, because I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. Sotanghon. That wouldn't surprise me. Sotanghon. Okay, give it a stir. It smells pretty good. Guess I'll give it a taste. It is rice vermicelli. I guess so over in the Philippines this is called bihon, B-I-H-O-N. Simmer down out there! Cheers. That's enough! Now they're cruising. Jumping up and down, making lots of noise. Oh, I'm fine. And how are you, Miles? You're 5 years old. That's great. You want to live to see 6? Stop stomping everywhere. The neighbor's going to come up here and kill you. Let's see. There's some chicken. And some spring onion. Just like stir it together a little. You know, I looked up images of this Sotanghon stuff, and it always showed it like really creamy, like there was milk in it. I didn't see anything on the instructions talking about milk. There was this chick we knew a long time ago. Me and my buddy, we knew this chick. Anyways, we would just like roll over laughing because we'd be telling her, asking her over and over. So when you went to school, what did they give you to drink? You know, they'd give us juice or they'd give us milk. Wait, what? They'd give us juice or they'd give us milk? Milk? Yeah, milk. What? What's that? You don't know what milk is. Shut up. You don't know what milk is. I know what milk is, lady, but I don't know what milk is. What is milk? Just gave her so much business. Oh my god. So much crap about that for like eons. That was kind of our, like, hey, that's enough. You want a timeout? No? Okay. Well, no more pounding and screaming and beating on each other. That's absolutely unacceptable behavior, and I'll cut your fingers off and bite off your eyeballs. Okay? Don't make me bite you on the eyeball. You would not like that. Not after last time. Anyway, got 3 crackers. No, ladies and gentlemen, I've never bitten my children on the eye. I'm like a pug dog. I can't do that. So, usually I've seen crackers that come with this. I am adding crackers to this. Right? And where'd it go? There we go. I think this is also a logical thing. Oh, I guess I got a bit of it on it. So we got salt and, or no, I just added pepper. So let's try this. Are you set? Go! Oh. I know what the one I did about a week ago, the other add-on you do is pork rinds. But since seeing this is chicken, I figured that just wouldn't fit. Yeah. Actually, I didn't think about it until now, but I don't think it would have fit so well. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. You know, you should go to shop.theramenraider.com and buy everything. Alright? That'd be kind. And go check out the Facebook group. Just type in Instant Noodles dash The Ramen Raider with spaces and all that. You will be glad you did. Alright. Have a good one. Bye-bye.